Hello guys, welcome back to Pianowithnick. I'm here with another video. So we are going to break down a particular song and I'm going to show you passing chord to this particular song. Okay, so just in case you don't know the song, I'm going to play through in a beginner's level, then I'll chip in the passing chord we will learn for today. Okay, so we are basically on the passing chord series, so let's dive into today's lesson. So we are in the key of F. This is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 1. So this is the do, the re, the mi, the fa, the so, the la, the ti, and the do. So just in case you don't know the song goes from the progression of the do, then the 7 to the 6, then the 2 3 4, then flat 5, which is a fi, to the so. Okay, then here you can do passing chord Latin. Then here you can do a dominant chord on the 3. The 4 to the 2. Then 1 over the 5. Then 7 1. I want to teach you a passing chord that you can apply to this particular song. Okay, so without much ado, let's try one more time. Instead of doing this, angels, then the T, then La. There's nothing wrong playing this particular way, but sometimes you have to add something small to it so that it will not be boring, right? So with that said, let's check a passing chord we can do. You know that with the timing, or before you play any particular passing chord to any destination chord, right, you have to check the time, right? You see that there's not plenty time for you to do plenty things. So based on the timing you have left, that's what you use to create the passing chord. Alright, so what am I doing? I'm doing this. I'm using the melody, right? Melody is key in any passing chord. Melody is key, right? So let's check. Then I did it. Alright, that's what I'm playing. Then I'll use my thumb to hit the mo, right? All of this is the left hand doing, right? So zi la to ti la mo. Okay, zi la to ti la mo. So I'm flipping from the re, mo, and mi. Okay, then I'm doing this chord. This is basically Z, right? Z. So Z, I have the Z, I have the T, and the mi. One more time. You see, as soon as I hit it, then the chord is there, right? Then you press T. Okay? You press the T, just the note, okay? One more time slowly. Then you do this. So what is that? I'm doing the to and the re, but I'm flipping like this instead of this. So that is T and re, but I'm flipping from the to, then to the la. So the la is la and do. Okay. Okay, speed up. Okay. So just that. Okay. Angels of cry, singing to welcome the Prince of Peace. So on this particular song, I'm going to do another passing chord to it. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet. I'll see you in another video. Bye.